Hey girl, hey, it's your girl Nimsy here, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nimsy, and let me tell you guys another reminder. We are gonna give a giveaway on 100 subscribers. We're gonna be giving a fidget package, and once I get to 500 subscribers, we're gonna be giving a Danny, you okay? Okay. Once I get to 500 subscribers, we're gonna keep giving a skateboard. Now I'm gonna give you guys a little update on all of my fidgets. Now I'm gonna rate them for 1 to 10. 0 is the worst, 1's the kind of worst, and 10 is the best. First, I took out this slingy. We're gonna do the bucket of these are all my stress balls, and the other ones are like my big fidget toys. And we're gonna do the big one first. And on the big one, I found this new slingy that I got today. And yes, I am gonna get some more fidget toys. I just got a fidget package online, and my dad also got me other 3 more online too, but separate. I think they're gonna come next month, but I hope they come in February, because I don't want them to come next month, but it's gonna take a long time. So yeah, this is my slingy. I used to love these. I used to play with these back in my house. I told you guys in my last, I used to roll them down the stairs. So it used to be so cool to me. They're still cool to me. You could see like the colors. See the it's so cool. And the colors are so pretty. Okay. So I'll give this a 10 out of 10. It's super fun and super stretchy. And it's from the $1 store, so I'll give it a 10 out of 10 for the $1 store. Okay. Then I'm gonna pick out something from mine. Now I barely just made these. These are homemade globals with flour. And this one's the only one that's made out of Orbeez, but the rest are made out of flour. Actually, super fun. Okay, so that's a 10 out of 10. Then we're gonna get something else from the big basket. Then we have a snake. This was the first fidget toy I ever got. This fidget toy is actually my oldest friend, but I'll give this a 10 out of 10 because I really like how it plays and you can make it to anything. Then we're gonna get something out of my thing. So I picked out this cat needle ball that I got at Learning Express. You okay? It's my brother. Taking care of him right now, so I have to be very careful and look at him. Okay, why? He's playing. Yeah, he's under here right now. He's talking. Yeah, so I got that, and then he's just watching his cartoons. But then I'll rate this a 10 out of 10. It's super soft, and I really love needles. I'm gonna get a whole pair when I go, so I want to see if I can. Then we're gonna go into, and now we're gonna get these new ones that I got today. It's super fun. And they're actually kind of sticky. They're like globals. I wonder if I can put them onto the ceiling. Whoa. They'll stick very good. I wish I had real globals, but I don't think they're going to have some at Learning Express. Cervical. And then we have this Orbeez banana. I'm gonna try to get the needle one when we go to Learning Express. The day's almost coming, so we're gonna go to Learning Express. I'm sorry guys, you guys can't see my face. I really want you guys to see what I'm doing. But yeah. It's super cute. And then we have the strawberry. The strawberry is I really like this one. It's super cute. And my favorite fruit is strawberry. So, and then we have a grape one. The grape one, I really like it too. It's like a best one. I'm sorry I had the hiccups right now. Yeah. I wonder if this will actually stick on the ceiling. But I'm not going to do it. Fall. No, they don't. It's because I need real globals, but I don't have any real globals. I really want one of those. Sorry. Okay. And then we have this thing. Oh yeah, I had to rate these. I rate these a 10 out of 10. This one too, and then these ones I rate them a 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10, and 10 out of 10. This one is I really like this one because it looks real, so I want to eat it, but I can't because it's squishy. Yeah. And then we have this unicorn one. My mom got me this one. I really do. Yeah. Yeah, so I give this a 10 out of 10 too. Single song. Yeah, guys. So that's that. And then, yeah, so that. Yeah, so this one's that, and then this one came in this one, but I just took it out to show you guys. 10 out of 10. So that's my dad's favorite. And then we have this one. Then we have this. And then we have this. That's a 10 out of 10 too. 10 out of 10. Every single squishy is a 10 out of 10. I love them. Yeah. So we're gonna put these back. Single song do you do? Why is my hand? What? What's in there that exploded? Okay, guys. We're gonna take off this. Okay. Okay, now these are super cool. Actually, 10 out of 10 for all of them. Now, then we have my new putty. Looks like skin. Super stretchy. That's how this one from Dollar Tree is. Then this is the one from Hobby Lobby. Tell me in the comments which one's better. Never breaks. Yeah, but it is stretchy sometimes. Yeah, you get like a little bit, like this much right here, and then just like get this much, and then just go. So it does stretch, and it's actually very good. It smells like cookies. Okay, then I have this Rubik's Cube. It's a 10 out of 10. I don't really play with it, but... Oh, I love this. This is my new favorite fidget. And I just put them all in the same color. That's how you play with them. You have to put them all in the same color. And then we have this. This is a 10 out of 10. All of these stuff in here are a 10 out of 10. I'll show them to you guys. This is a 10 out of 10. This is a totally 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. These are 10 out of 10. And then the homemade snip-on, that's a 10 out of 10. This one's 10 out of 10. And then we have, the homemade Simple Dimple. I really do like this. This is my new favorite. Yeah, so that is that. Super fun, actually. That's a 10 out of 10. And then my Pop-Its are a totally 10 out of 10. Here's some ASMR for you guys. This has not a very loud side. This side's gonna be more louder. Oh my god, why am I talking like this? I don't have a microphone, guys. I want to get one though to make some ASMR videos. This side's very, very not loud. This one is. Okay, guys, these are all my fidget toys, guys. I am getting a bunch more, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Mwah.